back to Creative Creations. Today I'm going to show you on how to make a DIY lap desk. It's a super useful DIY, so you'll be using it all the time. Remember to give a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, and click on the bell button so that you're notified for every time I post a new video. Let's get to it! Things you will need to create your DIY lap desk are cardboard, material, a pencil or pen, a glue gun, contact paper, scissors or an X-Acto knife and cutting board, and some stuffing or filling. First, with your cardboard, take your pencil or pen and draw your lap desk to any size and shape you would like it to be. Then cut it out and create multiple identical pieces. The more pieces, the sturdier your lap desk will be. Once done, stack your pieces and glue or tape them together. Next, take your contact paper, peel off the backing, and stick it onto the top of your cardboard. Once done, you can flip it over and cut off the excess edges, leaving a gap large enough to be able to fold over the contact paper to the other side. Once you have completed folding over your contact paper, take your piece of material, lay it down, then place your cardboard on top. Trace around it, leaving a 2 to 3 inch gap, and cut it out. Once done, you can then take your cardboard and flip it upside down. Then apply your glue in small sections at a time on the back near the edges, placing the material in the correct position on top by having your material on the good side facing down, taking the end, folding a small part upwards, and applying that section onto the glue. Continue doing this all the way around until you have about 2 inches left. And once you're at that point, you can add in your chosen stuffing or filling inside to the amount you feel comfortable with having on your lap. Once happy with the consistency, then just glue down that last section of material and you're done.